Glory be to God in the highest. Glory be to God in the highest. Glory be to God in the highest. To every true believer that is watching me, I don't know where you are watching me from, home or abroad. Let me say this to you. 2026, get closer to the living God. Get closer to the living God. Yes, the path of righteousness is difficult. The path of righteousness is full of many challenges. But let me assure you, if you can follow and endure, the joy is there. Go and ask those who follow shortcuts. Go and ask those who follow shortcuts. Yes, they, they have the money, they get the money, fame, connection. But the pain and the agony that they are facing is not something that they can explain. Let me tell you, those of you who are looking for fame, fame go with noise. Fame go with noise. Listen very well. Jẹ́ kí n ṣàlàyé fún ọ. Ògo máa ń lọ pẹ̀lú ariwo, ògo àti ariwo wọ́n jọ ń lọ together ni. The kind of the link that you follow determine. If you follow darkness, the kind of noise that will follow your fame is going to be negative. Go and check the life. Those pastors they are know that they are using darkness. The kind of fame that they had, ó lọ pẹ̀lú ariwo, negative ariwo. That is the secret. When Satan gives you something, when you are looking for fame under the power of darkness, it will go with negative noise. But if you wait upon God, it may take time. So ó máa gba àkókò, kò easy. Ó máa gba àkókò, but it will go with positive noise. Gbogbo ògo ló máa ń lọ pẹ̀lú ariwo. Ògo wo ni wọ́n gbé dání? Ṣé ògo láti ọwọ́ òkùnkùn ni? Be sure wípé ìgbà tí ariwo rẹ bá máa dé, ó máa lọ pẹ̀lú ìbànújẹ́. Láti sọ fún ọ, ẹ̀yin wòlíì tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn táṣẹ̀ gbé dìde. You want to be like so but so prophet, tó fẹ́ dàbí lágbájá, ó jẹ́ ṣọ́ra, àlàáfíà ni fún ọ.